Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to set up audit types in your audit inspection system, the categories that define what each audit covers, so your compliance checks stay organized and easy to run. Let's get started. From the sidebar, navigate to Audit Inspection and click it to open the Audit Inspection dropdown. This section allows you to manage all your inspection settings. In the dropdown, navigate to System Setup. This is where you configure the building blocks the rest of the module relies on. Now select Audit Types. The page opens with a list of the audit categories you've already set up, so you can review what exists before adding more. Click here to create a new audit type. A short form opens with the fields you'll need: a name, a category, and a description. In the name field, enter a title that defines the audit's focus. A clear name makes the right audit easy to pick when it's time to run one. Next, assign the audit type to a category from the dropdown. Grouping audits this way keeps your compliance work sorted and easy to report on. Then, in the description field, spell out what the audit covers: the transactions, documentation, and protocols it reviews. A thorough note here tells anyone running the audit exactly what's in scope. Now click Create to save it. Your new audit type is added to the system's audit list straight away. And that's a wrap on audit types. You've just learned how to create an audit type, assign its category, and describe its scope. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your audit inspection system.